Good morning on and all present here. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss about user interface testing, configuration testing, security testing as well as performance level testing under software engineering. Outline we are going to cover now. First of all, we are going to see what is meant by user interface testing and then configuration testing. What's the purpose of security testing and then performance testing. How we are going to check over the performance testing. The step-by-step process we are going to analyze. First, let us see what is meant by user interface testing. It is one kind of testing technique. It's mainly used to identify the presence of errors under product which we create. And during the testing case, by using graphical user interface, we have basically two different types of user interface are there. One is command line interface and another one is graphical user interface. Command line interface means full it's going to access by using some command arguments. Graphical user interface is none other than testing process implemented either manually or automatically and repetitively executed by the third parties organization instead of the developers. Now let us see configuration testing. Configuration testing is a software testing techniques in which the software application is going to test with multiple combination of both software as well as hardware. Combinedly, we are going to evaluate and we are going to analyze the configuration process by using configuration testing techniques. Here we are going to evaluate the functional requirements, functionalities we are going to analyze. Next, let us see this is a structure of configuration testing, multiple combination of both software as well as hardware configurations under desktop application. First of all, we are going to check over the database server and then application server with connection of different operating systems, and then client with different OS versions as well as input output devices we are going to connect, and then different types of hardware is going to connect it. So these are we are going to analyze in order to check over the functionalities among that particular new software. Now let us see security testing. The word security is clearly understand that we are going to analyze the check over the secured level under developing a new application. So in that security testings, we are going to check over the risky task under new application as well as how to prevent the malicious attack from intruders. So for that reason, we are going to implement security testings. We have different types of security testings. One is vulnerability scanning and then security scanning, penetration testing, risk assessments, security auditing, posture assessments, ethical hacking. So these are the security testing techniques in order to evaluate the risky task under new creation. Next, performance testing. Performance testing is none other than checking the behavior of a new application by applying some load is none other than performance testing. Under performance testing, we are going to test over the load, stress as well as scalability and then stability. So these are the main important thing. We are going to analyze the performance level of application. Next thing is performance testing process. Under performance testing process, first of all, we are going to identify the scenarios of performance as well as next thing is plan as well as design performance test scripts. So test scripts we are going to analyze whether the planning and all scheduled in clear way or not, and then configure the test. After that, we are going to execute that particular test script. Finally, we are going to retrieve the result. After retrieving the result, we are going to analyze that result whether it's the performance level is good or not, and then identify the bottleneck. Suppose if any issues available under analysis report, we are going to check over the issues. What are the issues occurred? That we are going to check over. Finally, rerun test. So again, if you have any defects, we are going to rerun that particular testing process, and then we are going to give a good performance level with the help of this performance process. If you have any queries, guys, please contact me. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.